Hey everyone! In this video, we're breaking down some of the most useful multi-purpose cleaning gadgets on Amazon designed for small homes and tight corners. If you're tired of bulky equipment taking over your space, these compact tools will help you scrub, vacuum, and sanitize with less effort and almost no storage headache. All the product links are down below, so stick around and let's get started. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 25. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster is the classic tiny space cleaning hero. Lightweight and cordless, it's perfect for quick pickups in small kitchens, around sofas, and on stairs where a big vacuum feels overkill. The slim nozzle reaches into corners, drawers, and window tracks that often get ignored in tight homes. When you're done, it parks neatly on its wall-mountable charging base, taking up very little room. For studio apartments and dorms, it's an easy way to stay on top of everyday messes. Number 24. FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. In tiny bedrooms, dust and allergens can build up fast, and the FEPPO mattress vacuum is designed to fight that. Its powerful suction, ultraviolet light, and heating function work together to pull out dust mites, dander, and fine particles from mattresses, sofas, and cushions. The compact handheld design makes it easy to use and just as easy to store on a shelf or in a nightstand. For small sleeping spaces, it's a smart way to keep things fresher and healthier. Number 23. Neabot N1P1 Pro Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. If you've got pets in a small apartment, the Neabot N1P1 Pro helps keep fur from taking over. This grooming kit has built-in suction that captures up to 99% of loose hair as you brush and trim, so it doesn't end up all over your couch and floors. Instead of separate tools and messy cleanup, everything's in one compact unit. The attachments and hose store neatly together, making it perfect for tiny homes where clutter-free grooming is essential. Number 22. BISSELL CrossWave Turbo Multi-Surface Wet-Dry Vacuum Mop. The BISSELL CrossWave Turbo is a lifesaver for tiny homes with mixed floors. Instead of dragging out a separate vacuum and mop, this all-in-one machine vacuums and washes your sealed hard floors and area rugs in one pass. That means fewer tools cluttering your limited storage space. Its slim design is easy to park in a small closet, while the two-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate. For compact apartments, it's a powerful space-saving cleaning upgrade. Number 21. BISSELL SteamShot OmniReach Handheld Steam Cleaner. The BISSELL SteamShot OmniReach is a compact handheld steam cleaner that's perfect for tiny kitchens and bathrooms. Using only water, it blasts grime from grout, faucets, stovetops, and tight corners where regular tools struggle. Multiple attachments let you tackle different surfaces without needing a cabinet full of chemicals. When space is limited, having one small steamer that disinfects and deep cleans is a huge win. It's easy to stash in a cupboard, yet powerful enough to keep small spaces sparkling. Number 20. Shark S1000 Steam Mop for Hard Floors. The Shark S1000 is a lightweight steam mop that's great for small apartments with mostly hard floors. Using just water, it sanitizes sealed surfaces like tile, laminate, and vinyl, cutting down on the need to store multiple cleaning solutions. Its slim body and low-profile head slide under furniture and park easily in a tight closet or corner. For tiny spaces where every tool needs to earn its keep, this mop delivers deep cleaning without bulky buckets or harsh chemicals. Number 19. HOMTOYOU Spray Mop for floor cleaning with 3 washable pads. The HOMTOYOU Spray Mop is ideal if you want quick floor cleanups in a compact home without dragging a bucket around. Its built-in spray bottle lets you control exactly how much cleaner you use, which is perfect for small areas and delicate floors. The slim handle and flat head slide into narrow spaces and store easily behind a door or in a closet. Washable microfiber pads mean less waste and fewer refills taking up space, making it a smart pick for tiny apartments. Number 18. Rubbermaid Reveal Microfiber Spray Mop Floor Cleaning Kit. The Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop Kit is a great choice for tiny spaces where storage is limited but floors still get messy. It combines a refillable solution bottle with a slim, lightweight mop body, so you don't need a bulky bucket. The microfiber pad grabs dust and crumbs in small kitchens and hallways, and it's washable, so you're not storing stacks of disposable pads. When you're done, the mop's low-profile design lets it tuck neatly into narrow gaps. Number 17. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. The O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System is perfect if your tiny space still needs a serious floor clean. The foot pedal spins out excess water so you control moisture. Great for small rooms that dry faster. The mop head's triangular shape reaches into corners and under furniture where tight layouts make cleaning tricky. Even though it includes a bucket, the whole system stacks and stores compactly in a closet. For small homes, it delivers big cleaning power in a manageable footprint. Number 16. VaxBree Electric Spin Scrubber with LED display and 8 brush heads. The VaxBree Electric Spin Scrubber is a huge help for tiny bathrooms and kitchens where every corner counts. With an adjustable handle and 8 brush heads, it tackles tile walls, grout lines, tubs, and floors without you crouching in cramped spaces. The powerful spinning action does the hard scrubbing for you, which is especially nice when you're squeezed into small showers. When you're finished, the handle collapses and the heads store together, so it takes up very little room in a cabinet. Number 15. HOTO Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. The HOTO Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber is perfect if you want deep clean power in a tiny bathroom or kitchen. Its compact, lightweight body makes it easy to maneuver around tight tubs, corners, and narrow shower stalls where scrubbing is usually a hassle. Multiple brush heads let you tackle grout, fixtures, and tiles without storing a bunch of separate tools. When you're done, it fits neatly in a drawer or small cabinet, making it ideal for cramped spaces. Number 14. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber is a small but mighty tool for tiny spaces packed with hard-to-reach spots. This battery-powered brush delivers rapid scrubbing action so you can clean sink edges, faucet bases, shower corners, and window tracks without wearing out your wrists. Its toothbrush-style head gets into narrow crevices where full-size tools won't fit. Because it's handheld and compact, it stores easily in a bathroom drawer or under-sink organizer, making it a perfect gadget for small homes. Number 13. Housolution Rolling Cleaning Caddy Bag with Detachable Trolley. The Housolution Rolling Cleaning Caddy is a game changer if you live in a small place and hate clutter. It keeps sprays, cloths, and brushes organized in one portable cart, so you're not scattering bottles across limited cabinet space. The detachable trolley and smooth rolling wheels let you move room to room without multiple trips. When you're finished, the compact caddy tucks into a closet or corner. For tiny apartments, it turns chaotic supplies into a neat, space-saving cleaning station. Number 12. Stardrops. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Stardrops. The Pink Stuff is a favorite all-purpose cleaner that really shines in tiny homes. This single tub tackles multiple surfaces, stovetops, sinks, tiles, pots, pans, and more, so you don't need bottles of specialized products crowding your cabinets. The thick paste clings to stains and lifts them with light scrubbing, saving both time and space. Paired with a simple sponge, it replaces several cleaners at once, making it an incredibly efficient, space-saving cleaning solution for compact living areas. Number 11. MOPUP Automatic Bathroom Trash Can with Motion Sensor Lid. The MOPUP Automatic Bathroom Trash Can is a smart upgrade for tiny bathrooms where hygiene and space are equally important. Its motion sensor lid opens hands-free, helping reduce germs in tight areas where people constantly pass by. The slim, compact body is designed to fit beside toilets or vanities without sticking out. Quiet operation and a modern look help it blend into small bedrooms or offices as well. It's an easy way to keep waste under control in limited spaces. Number 10. Embulo Compressed Air Duster. This Embulo electric air duster is perfect for tiny spaces packed with electronics and tight corners. Instead of storing bulky cans of compressed air, you get a rechargeable device that blasts dust from keyboards, vents, shelves, and window tracks. Its powerful airflow helps clean spots that are hard to reach in cramped desks or compact living areas. Because it's cordless and slim, it fits easily in a drawer or on a small shelf. keeping small homes cleaner without extra clutter. Number 9. Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster. The Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster is ideal if your tiny workspace or gaming setup collects dust fast. Its high-speed motor pushes out strong, focused air to clear debris from keyboards, consoles, fans, and small shelves where cloths can't reach. Rechargeable and cordless, it eliminates the need to store multiple canned air bottles. The compact body slips into a drawer or small cabinet when not in use, making it a practical, space-saving cleaning gadget for tight living areas. Number 8. Sail Happy Compressed Air Duster Cordless Office Duster. The Sail Happy Compressed Air Duster is built for tiny offices, dorms, and apartments full of gadgets. Its cordless design and powerful airflow let you blow dust out of vents, shelves, and behind monitors without dragging out large vacuums. Multiple nozzle attachments help you clean tight corners that are common in compact setups. Since it's rechargeable, you don't need extra cans taking up space. It's a lightweight, easy-to-store tool that keeps small desks and tech-heavy nooks free of dust. Number 7. Pu-Liddicky Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Putty. Pu-Liddicky Car Cleaning Gel is a clever solution for tiny spaces filled with buttons, vents, and crevices. This moldable putty presses into keyboard gaps, remote controls, car dashboards, and other tight spots where traditional cloths can't reach. It lifts out dust and crumbs without leaving residue, making it perfect for compact apartments where surfaces are close together. When not in use, it stores in a small jar, taking up almost no space while still handling detailed cleaning jobs. Number 6. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green is a portable spot cleaner made for small places with big messes. It tackles spills, pet accidents, and stains on carpets, rugs, stairs, and sofas without needing a bulky carpet machine. Its compact body and built-in hose wrap mean it can sit on a shelf or in a tiny closet when not in use. For apartments or dorms where every inch matters, this little cleaner gives you professional-style results without taking up valuable space. Number 5. ZEP Grout Cleaner and Brightener. ZEP Grout Cleaner and Brightener is a powerful option if your tiny kitchen or bathroom tile looks dingy. Its professional strength formula breaks down tough grime and grout lines with minimal scrubbing, instantly making small rooms appear brighter and cleaner. Since it's focused on grout, you don't need multiple specialty cleaners stacked in already crowded cupboards. Just apply, let it sit, scrub lightly, and rinse. For compact homes with lots of tile, it's an efficient, space-conscious way to refresh floors. Number 4. Dovety Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. The Dovety Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerful little helper for tiny bathrooms and kitchens where every corner counts. With multiple brush heads, it tackles grout lines, sinks, tubs, and fixtures without you crawling into awkward spots. The cordless design gives you freedom to move in narrow spaces, while the compact handle makes it easy to control. When you're done, it breaks down neatly and tucks into a small cabinet, perfect for clutter-free, space-conscious cleaning. Number 3. LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop with Detachable Handheld Steamer. The LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop is ideal if you want one tool to replace a closet full of cleaning gear in a tiny home. As a floor steamer, it sanitizes sealed hard floors without chemicals, and the detachable handheld unit lets you tackle counters, tiles, and fixtures. Multiple attachments mean you can clean almost every surface with one compact system. Its slim, upright design parks easily in a corner, making it a highly efficient gadget for small spaces. Number 2. Sunjo SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Sunjo SPX3000 is perfect if you live in a small place but still need serious outdoor cleaning power. This compact pressure washer tackles balconies, tiny patios, railings, and car washes without you scrubbing for hours. Multiple nozzles let you switch from gentle rinses to deep cleaning, so one unit covers a lot of jobs. When you're done, the hose, wand, and cord tuck neatly onto the frame, making it easy to store in a corner or closet. Number 1. BISSELL Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. The BISSELL Featherweight Stick Vacuum is practically made for tiny spaces. It's ultra-lightweight, slim, and easily converts between stick, stair, and handheld modes, so one compact unit handles floors, rugs, and furniture. The bagless design means no storing extra bags, and the small dirt cup is quick to empty. When you're finished, it stands in a corner or tucks into a closet without dominating your limited storage. For apartments, dorms, or studios, it's a simple, everyday cleaning essential. And that wraps up our list of clever Amazon cleaning gadgets perfect for tiny spaces. If any of these tools caught your eye, you'll find all the links waiting in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you'd try first, or if you already own any of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.